So in this video I will be showing you how to actually make an embed. It's pretty easy. You just define an embed builder. And then we set the title, test embed title. Then we set a description. Test embed description. And that's really all to it. You have a lot more options like set other color description fields, everything. You can easily find those on the Discord docs if you want different designs. So now if we do this, Bing give us back a nice embed. That's really it. Short one, but nice to know.